Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add friends on your BeReal account. It's very easy and can be done in different ways, and let me show you how you can do it through all those different methods. First of all, open the app and make sure that you're logged in. When you reach the home page, there at the top, right beside My Friends option, you will see the Discovery tab. Just click there and you will see all the different people who have posted on their BeReal account. BeReal is a social app and it's no fun without friends. So if you want to search for new friends, just choose the people that you see on your discovery page. Just click on their profile and then you will see the option to add them friend. Add friend there, and when they approve of the request, you will become friends with them. Next option is go back to your home page. And there at the top left corner, you will see this icon. When you click there, you will find the option to add friends through your contacts. That's another method. And the other method is there at the top, you will see the search bar where you can search for your friends through their username. I'm just gonna search Andrew, for example. When you search for it, you will find the username that matches, and when you click on add friend option, and then they will approve of the request, and there you go, you guys will become friends on BeReal app. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful for you.